falling to a month low after seeing a very high average the last month.
A flood watch remains in effect for Palm Beach County through today and into tomorrow morning, and we could see more heavy rainfall today, although so far we're just seeing isolated shower activity. And I don't think we're going to see the same kind of rain that we saw yesterday with that big wall of rain moving in throughout the morning hours. But I do think scattered showers and thunderstorms are pretty likely today, and rainfall will be heavy in spots. We still have these very gusty winds out of the southeast. I'll show you how gusty in just a moment. Live Viper 5 Max showing you the rain coming in right now. There's some down over the Bahamas and some over the Florida Straits as well. And we're getting a few showers moving through parts of St. Lucie County, Okeechobee County, and northwestern Martin County so far this morning. Down to the south, it's pretty quiet in Palm Beach County. We've got a few showers down here off to the southeast that may move in over the next hour or so, and temperatures very, very warm in the 70s. Let's talk about rainfall for today. Got about a 40% chance for showers for the morning hours, maybe a couple of thunderstorms embedded in that. Then rain chances drop down a little bit, and I think we'll see a little bit of sunshine from late morning through early afternoon, and then rainfall chances pick up again for mid to late afternoon. Wind gusts today. 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts or higher. Look at this, Viper estimating 32 mile per hour wind gusts by this afternoon. So a very windy day, a small craft advisory in effect for boaters today. East winds 20 to 30 knots, seas 5 to 7, but we could see up to 9-foot seas later on today. High temperatures mid to upper 80s, a few breaks of sunshine, but scattered showers and thunderstorms and a few spots of heavy rainfall. Possible again, very gusty winds out of the southeast. We'll look ahead to the weekend in just a few minutes.
Checking in on you.